Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you 3 ways to fix your iPhone microphone. So let's begin right away. The first step is to restart your phone. To do that, simply press and hold on the volume button together with the power button. So press and hold on that, and if you have an assistive touch, you may restart your phone by clicking on the assistive touch and then go to device, click on more, and then click on restart fan on the lower left corner. And then, if it still doesn't work, you should now proceed to settings and then look for accessibility and then scroll down and look for audio or visual. So under hearing, you may see audio or visual. Click on it and make sure to turn off phone noise cancellation. So it should be turned gray and not green so that it is turned off. And then the third and final step is to look at your microphone found on the left side of your charging slot. So your microphone should not have any obstructions such as your case or your um, dust found on your phone. So that's it. Those are the 3 ways to fix your iPhone microphone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.